Hi YouTube, we're back. This is our Sports Magnification and Outdoors. We're back up here still at Gettysburg. I'm going to take you down to a little view of the triangular field as where the Confederates came up through to go up toward Little Round Top. It was Alabama, Texas, and Arkansas. But the Union line held this spot right here, but the Confederates chased them out of here. So we'll just give you a view of this, because in the summertime, all this is all like grown up, and you can't even hardly see anything, and you have to worry about the snakes and everything else. This is where John Bell Hood took a shot in the arm. But we're going to show you this open field here. This is what you call the triangular field. Right up in here. This is still just a small, like a... Then you had some couple of reenactors yelling up through here, which you already heard. There's ways to get down in through here. Let me see if I can figure out how to get up and through here. See if there's a way to get down in here. But we're going to follow this path right here. What you call down in here is what you call the slaughter pen. Down in here, because the Alabamans, or Alabamians, or you call them, they came up through this direction here, came up around through here, they came up around into the woods, swung right around to where the 20th Main's at. If you can see that up there, this is where most of the Confederates went up to try to take Little Round Top from both ends. But the Alabamans went up through the woods and tried to swing around and try to hit the 20th Maine. Get you guys back out. So we just take you on a little tour here of the battlefield. We're still on this little path down here. And there was a Confederate was wounded down in here, and he was carried up to the sharpshooter's wall. I can't remember where that's located at. But we'll just give you a little view of this, a little bit more. This is what you call the triangular field in Gettysburg. Up through here, because they started I think they started from way down in there, back in that area. They started coming up through this direction here. Come up this direction. They come up through here. They climbed over this wall on the afternoon of July 2nd of 1863. They took the guns of Smith's battery. They went up through here. They charged up through this field. What I'm going through right now. And they charged up this hill here. They took part of this. because the Arkansas was over off to their left. And they came out through here. You just have to keep in mind that this wasn't all grown up like the way it is now. So we're just gonna take you up to where most of the Confederates were, where they charged up to try to take Little Round Top. So we're just gonna go across this road here real quick. Show you a little bit more view. Up through here. The sharpshooters, well, I don't remember where that's at exactly. But they came up through here. And they try to take the Little Round Top, which is there, where they're trying to do some restoring of the battlefield. And like I said, the Alabamans went through the woods here and swung around, but they did not succeed of taking Little Round Top. So I'm gonna try to locate the sharpshooters' wall if I can find it, where they drug the Confederate at. If I can remember, it could be right behind the fence here. But we just take you down here a little ways. This is Devil's Den, down through here. This video also will be uploaded on Monday. This is the 18th, Saturday. So you give you a little bit more of a view of what the Confederates went through. Because this is just a no walking path, but there wasn't here at the time. We'll give you a lot of more view of this beautiful place up here in Gettysburg. And I hope you're enjoying this nature walk of the battlefield of Gettysburg. So we're going to head back up to here where I'm supposed to meet with somebody. Go up through here real quick. See if I want to show you what I look like. I'm going to try to turn this camera around from the back end. Here's where I'm at. Hi everybody out there on YouTube. Here's what I look like. Parts of it, I don't want to go so far with it. Just like this. So I thought I'd just show you what I look like in my uniform. I do have a scarf around my neck. Try to keep the chill off my neck. So we just turn back around. Like so. So let's go up here. This little monument up here. Sorry, the wind's blowing, so I kind of have to speak up a little bit. I'll just give you a view of the 99th Regiment, Pennsylvania Volunteers. This is what they are. I don't know too much about them. Give you a little bit more of a view of this battlefield. Like so. I hope you're enjoying this little bit of a nature walk. There's another monument. That's 1st Division. And I will be filming the Remembrance Day parade. And hopefully you all catch the live stream on that. So hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll catch everybody on the next one. And this is Squirrels Magnification Outdoors. I'll catch everybody later. Bye.